I know why you're not organized yet. There is one reason, the most important reason that people are not organized. And that, my friend, is overwhelm. That is what stops most people from getting organized. Are you in that boat? If you have a room that looks like this, you're in that boat. It's cool. I've got you. What I have learned in the last 16 plus years as a professional organizer is that you need to get on the board with some really strong, powerful wins. And I am here to get you those because we've all had way too much experience trying to get organized and feeling like we failed, getting started and not finishing, or getting distracted or overwhelmed, or feeling like, oh, I actually don't know how to do this. Well, let me tell you, you do. But oftentimes what happens is that we try to bite off way more than we can chew. You're not gonna do this space in 45 minutes. Let me just be real with you. But what you can do is start to make a real impact in less than 20 minutes. That is why I created a checklist that is going to guide you through 10 things you can organize in 20 minutes or less. 20 minutes is all it is going to take for you to get off the overwhelm train and onto the organizational path. Because small wins are going to jumpstart you into the organized life of your dreams. It is exactly what you need to feel like you are finally on the board. Now, if that wasn't enough, I'm going to add a little extra fuel to the fire for you. If you organize 5 of these in the next 7 days, you get a free session with me. All you have to do is organize 5 of the 10 areas, send me your before and after pictures, and you will get a free session with me. I'm gonna help you organize everything in your life, starting with these very simple 20-minute projects. Literally less than a time it takes for you to watch one TV show of like whatever you're binging on Netflix right now. So if you're ready to jump in and start your organizing jumpstart, text CALM, C-A-L-M, to 66866. Again, that's CALM to 66866. I'm gonna get you that checklist and we're gonna get you organized in 20 minutes or less. So get ready, your organized dreams are about to come true.